This is Olympus Lock, and today we'll walk you through the combination set and reset instructions for our Combi-Cam Ultra locks, models 7440 and 7445. If the lock is installed, set or reset the combination with the door or drawer open. Set the combination to the number that currently opens the lock. The factory default setting is 000 for the 7440 and 0000 for the 7445. The code reset button is located at the top of the lock. The lock must be in the locked position in order to reset. Press it and keep it held down until you finish setting your new combination. If you release it early, the lock will save whatever current numbers are showing. Turn the dials to your preferred combination. Release the code reset button and now your combination is set. Verify that the lock opens with this new code. Make a note of the combination for safekeeping. To lock, close the lock and rotate one or more dials. To open, turn the dials back to your combination. Discovering the combination using the override key. Insert and turn the override key to the unlocked position. While in the unlocked position, rotate each dial until it stops. Once all dials have stopped, that's the current combination. Record the discovered combination, and if desired, follow the reset procedure to set a new code. Thanks for watching! If you have any questions or need more information about the Combi-Cam Ultra 7440 or 7445, please contact us. You can reach us by email, phone, or by visiting our website.